Hello and welcome to JadeClass's or How to Write a Description That We Can See, Lesson 1. So, that's what we're talking about today, how to write a description that we can see. Now, sometimes writing feels stuck, like you can't move forward, right? And kids will say, I can't write, right? What do I write? Other kids, right, sometimes they think, oh, it's so easy, I'll just write some sentences down, but it feels flat. What do we mean? Well, if you just have these short little sentences, he has a beard, his beard is long, he has a beard on his face, still not the best. So, what happened? We're going to talk about that today and show you how to fix it, right, how to write better descriptions. So what you need is a picture. You need a picture up in your head, right, before you start writing, right? Because if you can see it in your mind, well, then your reader, right, will see it on the page. So the quick test here is, can you draw it, right? When you read your description, can you draw what you wrote? If you can draw it, the reader can probably see it too. That's what you should remember. So look at this little sketch here. Let's bring it to life. We're going to use 4 steps to do this. Pick it, draw it, compare it, and feel it. Okay, so first of all, we need to pick it, right? We need one standout feature, right? What is the most noticeable thing about this person, this character that you're trying to create? And if we take our little friend here, we could say, well, his beard. Step 2, draw it. So now we need to describe it so we can have a color, shape, size, or where it is, right? For example, here we could say his beard was very long, right? That's the size, and it hung down in front of him. That's where it is. All right, don't need all of them, but at least a couple. Step 3, right, compare it. Now, make the picture even clearer, right? Compare it to something using like or as. So here our example, right? It was like a rainbow waterfall flowing over his chin. Now we're starting to see it. All right, step 4, the last step, feel it, right? So add your reaction, right? How did it make you feel? Maybe what did your body do? See, look at this girl here, right? You can see her reaction quite clearly, but you need to write that, right? So you could say, when I saw it, right, I felt surprised, right? That's our feeling. And what did she do? Well, stepped back a little, right, because of the surprise. Great. So now if we put it all together, right, we get our beautiful description here. His beard was very long. It hung down in front of him. It was like a rainbow waterfall flowing over his chin. When I saw it, I felt surprised and stepped back a little. Now the reader can see him like a picture. Okay, so remember our picture building plan here, right? Pick it, that's number 1. Number 2, draw it. Number 3, compare it, right, using like or as. And number 4, feel it, right? How did it make you feel? What did your body do? Remember, don't list everything. Don't say like big ears, big nose, brown hair. No. Focus on one standout feature, right? You got to pick it first and then build your picture from there. Okay, now you try it. You remember those 4 steps? So pick one feature from this list below and try it yourself using those 4 steps we just talked about. My suggestion would be to try with a special pair of shoes or maybe someone's crazy hair. Who knows? So pick one of those 2 and try these 4 steps, right, to make your extra special description that your reader can see, right, in their mind. Thank you very much.